Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. Today is March the 10th. We are out here in Canton, Georgia. I just got here. My guy Tavares, shout out to Tavares, and also my ride along, Mr. Stanley. I sent them out here earlier. My car's in the shop. Had to go do a consultation this morning, pick up some supplies. My guy Aaron, who's wrapping up a sanding job in Milton, Alpharetta, had to get him some rag coat. So he's putting the rag coat down because we're gonna go UV cure that floor. Phone's been blowing up. So anyway, this is Mrs. Arlene. Guys, this is a unique story, man. It makes me feel so good because this is a new home. I think she said the home is like 6-7 months old. And the builder reached out to me. And what find out is Miss Irene just told me, she said, Courtney, I already knew about you. And I told them if I have to take them to court and hire you myself. So this is a floor, guys. It's an engineered floor. Just being honest, man, coming from the manufacturer, and I do this a lot, this floor didn't have a lot of good protection on it. So we're going to do the rag coat system today. So my guys came in today, screened the floors, also cleaned the floors, screened them, vacuumed them, and then now we're about to get the rag coat down. Also, shout out to Christian, my recommended moving guys. They came out this morning about 8:30. Arlene said they did a great job. They moved furniture from both levels, and they're going to come back this afternoon and put the furniture back. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. So we are in Canton, Georgia. I think this is Cherokee County. Yeah, Cherokee. And actually, we have another consultation here in Canton today. Between 2 and 3. So these are the floors that we're doing, and Miss Irene cannot stop raving about how much better they already look, and we haven't even put the finish down. So shout out to my guy Tavares and also Mr. Stanley. So these are the floors, and Miss Arlene, I was just telling my YouTube fans how you already knew about me.
I did.
And you said, I want Courtney.
Yes.
And if I don't get Courtney, I'll take you to court and hire myself.
That's right.
She said that.
That's exactly right. That's what I told them to do.
Yes. So guys, her floors were just kind of just worn. Oh, no. Give her one of the gallons. Give her a free gallon of my cleaner. Okay. Matter of fact, no. Give her 2 gallons. Okay. All right.
So there is a, tell me something.
So guys, these are the floors that we were doing. And the floor was just kind of, they just had like a funny look to them, guys. And you could just see the finish is starting to wear. So what we did today is came in, cleaned the floors. Tavares just showing her the dirty water, screened them. We did a 180 grit, just enough to abrade the floor so that finish can stick. And then we're about to coat the floor. And then me and Mr. Stanley are going to go do another consultation and grab some lunch. And we might, her stairs look, they're okay, but I might end up putting another coat on the stairs as well. Because again, guys, if you look at this, again, I'm telling you, man, these builders these days, because most of them use subcontractors. And yeah, I think we're going to, because it looks like there's no finish on these stairs. So we might just go ahead and end up putting some coating on the stairs as well. So it's 2 levels. This home does have an elevator. And again, Christian done moved all the furniture this morning. And we're about to coat. So, all right. And this is a little bit over 1,900 square feet. And there's Mr. Stanley. There you go. Uh-oh. And Stanley loves these Loba rollers. He got a chance to use the 14-inch and the Loba, and he likes the Loba. So, all right, guys. Stay tuned.
Yeah. Brand new build out in Canton, Georgia. Builder asked the homeowner, who you want restoring these floors? She said, if it ain't Courtney Lee,
don't send nobody.
Yeah. White oak floors, wide brush grain. Brand new house, but the dirt left stains. Movers rolled out, furniture gone. 1,900 feet we working on.
Build a car, but the homeowner knew.
Said there's only one man that can do what you do.
The impact soiled in every pore.
Time to bring that satin glow back to the floor.
Nobody but Courtney Lee.
Restore these flows perfectly.
One day shine.
UV cure light. Walk on the floors the very same night.
From Canton homes to across the states.
Truman bringing floors back paid. When trust is earned and reputation's key, they say.
Send nobody but Courtney Lee.
Right along Stanley came from NC. 5 years watching YouTube TV. Now he out here learning the craft. Watching Truman bring me floors back. Screen it down and coat it clean. Satin finish make the grain sheen. UV fast then the shine appear. Brand new flows in about 1 year. They didn't want just anybody.
They wanted the owner.
The man behind the brand.
Truman Hardwood. Nobody but Courtney Lee.
Restore these floors perfectly.
One day shine.
UV cure light.
Furniture back.
The very same night. When Refinishing travels the street.
People know who they wanna be. Yeah.
From Georgia homes to across the sea, they say.
Send nobody but Courtney Lee.
White oak glow in the Georgia sun. Another transformation done. Build a smiling homeowner proud. Steadily learning while the music loud.
Legacy built board by board.
Respect earned, never ignored. When the best is who they request to see, they say,
Send Courtney Lee.
Truman floor,
One day shine.
Canton, Georgia. Nobody but Courtney Lee. Nobody but Courtney Lee.
All right, guys, that is going to do it. We are done. When I tell you these floors came out amazing, they came out amazing. The builder, Bob, he's actually the builder's manager, not the initial builder. John Whedon is the builder of the beautiful homes. But guys, these floors came out immaculate. That nice rag coat, satin finish, it looks so good on these white oak wire brush floors. There's my client, Miss Arlene, right there. And I'll tell you, come on in.
Hello.
Oh my goodness,
What happened?
how good they look.
They look beautiful.
They came out amazing.
Yeah.
And what we did, I showed Bob the stairs. Come look at your stairs. He even said it. He even said, yeah, the stairs.
Bob has no idea how they.
Just look and feel the stairs now.
Look at that.
Just huge difference.
Huge. Huge.
So again, guys, we wanted to do the stairs as well because the builders and even Bob said, you know, guys, it's just a day and time where everything is just contractors. And
Yes.
that's why I like being the owner of my own business.
Yes.
People know what they're getting. Because when you deal with contractors, you don't know what you're getting. And so, yep, that is so much better.
But I mean, you have to inspect your
Yes.
people,
That is true. That is true.
right? And you can't just let them like fly.
Yep. You want to take a look upstairs?
I will. I
Okay.
mean, I know it looks amazing.
It looks great.
Okay.
And then Christian, the furniture moving guys,
Yes.
they be here between 5:30 and 6.
Oh my God.
Yep.
You kept your word.
Yes, ma'am. All in one day.
Thank
All right, guys.
you so much.
And look at that satin finish. That is
So,
beautiful.
yeah, that's amazing.
Amazing.
That's amazing.
Thank you, Arlene. I appreciate you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for
So
trusting
what do
me.
we do now? Like we can just walk on it?
Yeah, you want it's done. The dogs.
did the
Yeah.
UV and all
Yeah, well,
that?
it is the UV. It's done. Yeah, we was doing the UV when Bob came, and then he left. He told me just call him So they're gonna pay for the this.
Yes.
And you take care of Christian. But yeah, it's done. UV dogs can come up. That's why they're on their way back to move the furniture.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is amazing.
Thank you. All right, guys, another happy client. Now we're about to shoot up to Milton. Aaron, my sanding guy, he's sanding the floor. Thank you. Oh yeah, this looks good.
Amazing. Wow.
Yep. All right, guys, I'm about to shoot to Milton. UV cure a floor over there that Aaron sanded. So what I do, I'll give leads to my sanding guys, but then I'll also talk to the client about the UV curing, and it's perfect for this job I'm about to go to now because her rugs and furniture is coming tomorrow. So it has to be UV. So Aaron just got through putting the rag coat down about an hour and a half ago. So perfect timing. So about time me and Stanley get over there, that floor will be ready to UV cure, and she can start putting her rugs and furniture on her floors tomorrow as well. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. See you in the next one. All right, thank you again.
Oh, thank you, Courtney. It's beautiful.
It looks good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.